Hello everyone, this is Ajak Tech series. This issue explains the operation of Tektronix oscilloscope DP0735C self-test and self-calibration. This operation also applies to Tektronix DP05000, 7000, 70000 series. Before doing self-test and self-calibration, the instrument must be warmed up for more than 30 minutes. Now start the self-test operation. Click Utilities, Instrument Diagnostics. Click Run. Wait for the self-test to complete. This is the self-test pass. Next do self-calibration. Click Utilities, Instrument Calibration. Click Run SPC. Wait for self-calibration. Display completed by self-calibration. The self-test and self-calibration are all passed, and the instrument can be used normally. To learn more, follow me.